Station and reposition and prep for evac.
30 seconds.
Roger, 30 seconds.
There's a large group of unknowns moving on the front gate.
Alcantara's down there.
They've breached the perimeter.
Right, put us on the roof.
Roger.
But we have to reach Echo fast. We've got a lot of hell headed that way.
Taking small arms fire.
RPG!
Lift the line and kick. We're hit. Power up. Fire the collective.
Fire! Fire! You broken?
I'm good.
Echo 3-1, primary extraction failed. We're down on the roof.
Understood. What's the call, Captain?
There's a safe room in the basement. Head there, we'll be right behind you.
Roger, we're moving.
We have to reach the safe room before Alcantara does.
And the embassy personnel?
Alcantara's here for the wolf. So are we.
Come on, this isn't a drill.
Good, you're here. They need 5 minutes to finish up. What can I do to help?
Find weapons. Barricade the doors.
To the extraction team!
Not yours. You. Open this door. Lock it behind us.
06, Echo 3-1. Wolf is securing the basement safe room. Be advised, the butcher is outside. Double sure.
I have eyes on him. We're breaking through now. We need a new extraction point, fast.
Oh my god!
Shit. We need to engage these guys, sir.
Negative. They get to this side of the glass, they'll reach the wolf before we do. We clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Take point.
Open this now.
Everyone
You
back.
only want the wolf. No one else has to die today.
Who has the key card?
I do.
How about you, Captain? Are you gonna let them die? Save his life, Sergeant.
Now, Sergeant.
Give us the wolf! You! Open this now.
Everyone
You
back.
only want the wolf. No one else has to die today.
Who has the key card?
I do.
How about you, Captain? Are you gonna let them die?
Papa, feet! Let's
Kyle, we're moving.
Save his life, Sergeant.
Now,
Give
Sergeant.
us the wolf! Mercy is weak. Bring the trucker up!
Hey, we'll get him. Count on it. 3-1, enemy vehicle is inbound. What's the status of extraction?
Building's locked down. No way out, Captain.
Now just sit tight and stay calm. I'm trying to break it in.
glass for cover.
Keep us up! We want go up! Get the bus! Come on! Let me out! What's the one? Ready?
The glass for cover. Let's get to the basement, Kyle. Take point.
Locked.
I've got it. We're in the basement.
Raj, be advised, we have hostiles outside the safe room.
We'll take care of it. Let them know we're here, Sergeant.
3-1, we're here.
Lara, still fighting a good fight?
Always, Captain.
The ambassador's still inside, sir. He's trapped.
Okay, keep him on the line. He may be our way out of here. Adir, thanks for the assist.
Our pleasure, sir.
Umar Suleiman.
Have we met?
Yeah, back when you were on our side.
The wolf was a freedom fighter?
I still am, brother.
The Butcher's men are closing on the ambassador, Captain.
Rog. Kyle, man these cameras. Direct the ambassador to safety. We'll need his key card to open the rear doors. Rest of you on me.
Mr. Ambassador, can you hear me?
Unlock the door. Stacy, hide!
Ambassador!
Get my Wait down!
Shit. Captain, the ambassador is down, but I can lead his assistant to you.
Do it. We need the key card.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
This is Sergeant Kyle Garrick.
Stacy Davidson.
Just do exactly as I say, and we'll get you safe. Take the ambassador's keycard and move to the door.
Okay, I have the keycard. What now? That man is in the hall. He can't see me.
Go right. There's a cabinet at the end of the hall. Pillar.
What is he? What is the wolf?
Where do I go now?
I don't know!
There's a cart near the bookshelves. Go now. That's the fucking butcher.
Don't lie to me. Wolf is here!
Other end.
Tell me where.
Now move to the door.
What is he?
Pillar.
What is the wolf?
That's the fucking butcher.
I don't know! Don't lie to me. The wolf is here! Tell me where. I'm just an analyst!
Where do I go now?
Someone else Someone else knows.
Now to the next one.
I don't have someone else. I have you. You who does not belong in my country. This is not your land.
Go to that middle desk. Stay low. Shit. Pillar.
Where is he? Where is the wolf?
Where do I go now?
That's a fucking butcher.
I don't know! Don't lie to me. The wolf is here. Tell me where.
Please help me.
I'm just an analyst. Someone else knows. I don't have someone else. I have you. You.
There's a cart
does
near
not
the
belong
bookshelves.
in
Go
my
now.
country.
Other end.
This is not your land. No, wait, please. You don't want me to come to your country and take
Go
your
to that middle
people.
desk. Stay low.
No, but I can't help you. That's too bad for you.
They're killing you. Sergeant, are you there?
Other side of the desk. Go.
Okay.
Go to the hallway. Now. Around the corner. Go, now!
Adam?
No! Stacy, pick up the phone!
Stacy.
We have to get you out of here.
God damn it, Stacy, leave it!
I'm sorry, Adam.
Don't scream, Stacy. Don't move.
I want to go home.
We'll get you there, Stacy. You're almost out. He's gone. Move to the cubicle. All right, next cubicle. Go. Go to the other cubicle. We'll get you there, Stacy. You're almost out. He's gone. Move to the cubicle. All right, next cubicle. Go. Go to the other cubicle. The other cubicle. Go now.
Hello? Sergeant Garrick?
By the chair. There's a guard blocking the exit. You'll have to distract him.
What do I need to do?
There's a large printer against the wall. Hide there.
Okay.
Get to that shredder. Back up, back up. Now turn it on. Go back.
I'm going.
Go to that car. Get to the exit. Run.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Get her out. Sergeant, we got her. Let's regroup in the parking lot.
Roger that, boss.
All stations this net. The embassy has fallen. Marines are setting up a rally point at the ambassador residence.
This is Captain Price, SAS. We're working our way to you.
Roger that, Captain. My Marines will keep an eye out for you.
Roger that.
Watch on Suleiman.
What's the plan?
Link up with the Marines at the southern compound.
Where's the compound?
Not far. Through the alley across the street.
Let's get there.
All right, Gary, open it up. Get the gate, Sergeant.
Here. Thank you, Sergeant. You saved my life.
This keycard may save all of us.
There you are. Expect contact.
They're here.
Moving. Across the street, move! Echo 3-1, you're cleared to move up.
Raj, coming to you.
What's the movement?
يلا المكان مؤمن هون.
لا تسكر هون لا تسكر هون إني بزروبة.
We're compromised. Reposition, now!
There's a compound!
Garrett, use the key card. Get us in.
This is Bravo 6, SAS.
Didn't think you'd make it. We need a secure room to store prisoner.
Yes, sir. Secure room in the residence. Follow me.
It's left to do. Stand guard. Watch him.
We will be back for him. I will be gone, brother, but we will meet again.
Roger, this is 06. I need air support and I need it now.
Negative 06. Can't risk another bird.
Kate, get me something. We'll be fighting the whole bloody city.
The only drone in range needs a refuel. Can't stay up for long.
Just get it here. 06 out. Alex, Kadir, go north. Cover that roof. Kyle, Farah, you with me?
Roger, Captain. Roger.
Captain, Marines have got the embassy covered if they follow.
Nothing out there, sir.
They'll be back. They'll come from the other side.
How do you know?
'Cause I would.
She's right. Reposition across the roof. Now. Dig in. I want a line of sight across that field. Get eyes on that cafe straight across the field.
Check 12, cafe. Multiple military-age males.
Unarmed. Stay with them.
2 more.
Father,
They're messengers.
looking our way. No bueno.
Track them.
On it.
Take your fire.
Check 12, cafe. Multiple military-age males.
Unarmed. Stay with them.
2 more.
Father,
They're messengers.
looking our way. No bueno.
Track them.
On it.
Something's got him spooked.
Check right. 2 more.
They're bugging out.
This ain't right. We got more unknowns far into the field probing.
Fighters. They're here for us.
They're moving on us.
Shit, lost them.
Alex?
All quiet.
Hang on, got movement. Midfield, 11 o'clock.
Where?
Negative, just the wind.
Hold your mud.
They're watching us, Captain.
Another word, and I'll send you out there.
Yes, sir. They're targeting the lights.
Clear on gate.
Stay front. We're blind.
Quiet.
Eyes on the glass.
Launch a flare. We'll pick them off in the light.
Illumination rounds. Light us up, Kyle. Sergeant, fire a flare from the launcher on the roof.
Fire in the hole!
Got movers back in the field.
Engage! Engage!
Fire in the hole!
Got movers back in the field.
Engage! Engage!
Incoming from the east!
They're swarming the field! Shit!
Keep your head down!
Where the hell are they? I don't see shit out there!
The whole field's crawling with AQ, dude!
Move out.
HQ, still in the field.
Shit! You good, dude?
Can't see where they're shooting from!
Someone set up a flare!
That field's full of them!
Yeah, we need to hold them off or we'll get overrun.
Fire in the hole.
Holy shit!
Hold the perimeter.
Last one, Captain.
Hoorah! Hell yeah!
Fucking field out here, bro.
It's not over. There'll be more.
Give me a round count.
Getting low!
About half.
Almost out.
Check your shots. Make them count.
Two trucks moving south far into the field.
Copy.
Probably get the fuck out of Dodge!
They're repositioning. Get down!
Incoming!
Leave him! Get off the road!
On it!
Leave him! Get off the road!
On it! Flares up!
These gates down!
Fire in the hole! Popping a flare. Flares up!
Not buddy!
All stations, no movement in the field. Go black.
Now move to the north building for resupply.
We'll set security.
Roger. Let's top off and gear up inside, Sergeant. Open up! Stay low, and do not leave this building. Sergeant, load up, come and see me.
Roger.
Bravo 6, this is Jaguar 4-1. On station for close air, guns hot.
Copy 4-1, stand by for target.
Birds inbound for close air.
One drone, low fuel.
Roger, actual.
We have a drone on station. I need you to mark targets.
We should roll up the wolf and get off the X.
Negative. We defend this position, we live to fight another day.
Cut bait?
We may have to.
Bravo, we need that drone, eh?
Rog, on my way. Roof, now!
Get on the roof side.
This way.
Zero 06, Jaguar 4-1 is overhead for fire mission, waiting on your mark.
Copy, Jaguar, stand by. Guys, put a hellfire on that building. Mark it with a beam.
Rush, blocking.
Hit. Firing. Flash out. Missile out. Flash. Impact. Copy, missile inbound.
What's another drop?
Negative effect.
Rifle. Missile out.
Hell yeah.
Direct. We're clear.
Not for long.
What's another drop?
Negative effect.
East side.
Unknown vehicle across the field.
Rifle.
Civilian? Or a car bomb? He's headed our way. Target marked.
Firing.
Weapon car.
06, Jaguar 4-1, you've got enemies inbound from the east, over.
Solid copy.
Target him with the green beam. Copy, missile inbound.
No good, take it again. Rush, block it.
Flash. Solid shot. Bravo, Jaguar is on station. Stand by for your mark.
Nice fucking hit, Kyle.
Copy, missile inbound. Hit.
What's another target? Miss.
Rifle.
Solid shot here.
Firing.
No good, hit it again. Target marked. Vehicle, in the field. Beam is up.
Bravo, Jaguar is weapon safe for reload. Stand by.
Don't let him get close.
Reloading. 2-6, Jaguar is back in the AO, ready to start.
Nice fucking hit, Kyle.
Direct.
We're inside the perimeter.
Zero 06, Jaguar 4-1 is bingo fuel. Egressing at this time.
Roger 4-1, thanks for the assist.
What does this mean?
He's out of gas. We're on our own again.
Focus up. Up this building. Let's go. Sniper! At the building. Fire in the hole!
Mortar!
2-story building, northeast.
No shot!
We gotta take them out.
I'll go.
Not allowed!
Gary, go into here. Take out that mortar team and get your asses back here.
Let's go, Sergeant.
Marines, back them up.
Left side.
What's left?
Garrett, go into here. Take out that mortar team and get your asses back here.
Let's go, Sergeant.
Marines, back them up. Let's go. Hoorah!
That's the mortar house. Left side.
Garrett, go into here. Take out that mortar team and get your asses back here.
Let's go, Sergeant.
Marines, back them up. Hoorah!
That's the mortar house. Left side.
What's left?
The mortar team is inside. Get the door, Sergeant. It's locked. Push me over the wall. I'll get us inside. This way.
06, we're at the target building. Moving interior.
Sergeant, we have to take out this mortar team. Hurry!
Roger that. We'll hold fire.
Gem man. Upstairs, go!
Hand it on!
All stations, Bravo 2-6. All mortars down. Building is clear.
Rally back at the compound.
Sergeant, let's get back to the compound. Sister, they're bringing in more bipeds.
In the field. They're inside the compound.
Get to the wall!
Fall back to the residence. They're inside, Captain. HQ breach the residence building. Taking fire from the residence.
They're going for the wall!
Get over there now. Secure the wall. All farm out to the residence building now. Kyle, get to the wall safe room in the residence building. Sergeant, residence building. Wall safe room, now. Sergeant, residence building. Wall safe room, now. Everyone, get back to the residence before they free the wall! Get in there, Gary.
No! Let me go! Let me go! Gary!
Stacy, get out of here now! Door's down, don't need help!
Clear.
All clear?
He's gone.
They breached the wall.
Fucking hell. They got him, Captain.
We will find him.
Hadir, get your team to the crossroads. Bring everything you've got.
Yes, sister.
What's the plan, Farah?
The wolf is with the butcher. Terrorist cells in the city will hide them. Bravo will clear house to house in search. My people will help you. If they try to escape to the mountains, there is only one road. Tariq al-Maut, the highway of death. The Russians bombed it during the invasion, killing the people trying to escape. There is a village at the crossroads. I sent Hadir and his fighters there to prepare an ambush. Alex and I will join them and take up firing positions above the road, lying in wait for the wolf. The highway is below us. Hadir has reinforcements in position to ambush the wolf.
We're easy prey for the Russians out here.
Yes, our window is short. Barkov's men will be on the hunt. He has lost control. We will come to take it back. Is it home? Let's move. We have to cut the wolf off at the pass. Before the war, this village had families and laughter.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Tell me a joke.
What happens when the CIA goes to sleep?
What?
They go undercover.
Not bad.
Probably better in English.
You told it in English. Khalil Arab.
حاضر معلمتي.
Hadir took the high ground for us. My father called Hadir Shabal, his little lion.
What happened to him?
He died, fighting.
قوات القتلة الخاصة أدمين سيدتي.
خبرنا شو بصير. Alex, this way. Hadir is waiting for us. I told him to bring everything he's got.
Alex, check this out. 338 Lapua, armor piercing at 600 meters. I put it together myself. Please, use it.
Solid heater.
Protect her with your life. She will do the same for you.
Thanks, Adir.
Perfect for this distance. I'll spot for you, Alex.
We are brothers now. Make me proud, Alex.
Lie flat. It will help steady your shot. Look through your scope. Let's get you dialed in. Look for the glinting light near the highway. You see the glare near the highway?
Got it.
Ali, التقي بالباقيين. Stay with him and you'll see my team near the road.
We are brothers now. Make me proud, Alex.
Look for the glinting light near the highway.
Got it.
Ali, التقي بالباقيين.
حاضر معلمتي.
Stay with him and you'll see my team near the road.
Yep, I see him.
They'll support us when we attack the Al-Qatala convoy. ريزا، هل لنا هدف جنب الباص؟
تكرمي بنت العم.
انتوا اخواني. Vertical notches adjust for distance. Each one is 200 meters.
صار جاهز.
هتموا تفجير. The target is 400 meters away. Aim 2 notches above it. Hit!
She speaks to you, Alex.
My brother, your biggest fan. Let's try another target at a different range. There's a blue house in the distance. Can you see it?
Visual on the blue house.
There's fruit on the icebox. Range 600 meters. Fire when you're ready. You're too low. Range is 600 meters. You're too low. Range is 600 meters. Too high. Range is 600 meters. Hit!
تسويبك ممتاز.
I heard that.
Yeah, high win. Pay attention, boys. You should be dialed in now. Remember, use the environment to your advantage. Flags for wind direction, landmarks for distance.
Understood.
Good. Now, watch the highway for activity. They won't be long now.
Nothing but the wind.
I got something. By that moving oil pump. Just some stray dogs. Keep scanning the road. The wolf will be here soon.
مركبي وحدة جاي من الشرق.
ماشي. لا تهاجموا. They spotted the vehicle. Right side. Could be the wolf or his men.
Looks like we finally got some company.
They're scouts for the wolf. Hold your fire. Wait for a clean shot. Ali, شايفون شي؟
عم يعرف على السطح.
Eyes on the roof, Alex. 2 on the roof.
Yep, I see him.
400 meters. Fire when you're ready. Good hit. One more. Nice shot. 2 of the wolf scouts gone. Ali, yalla الروح. Hadir is resourceful. He has them setting a trap for the wolf's men.
Alex, cover the team rigging the truck.
Killing the wolf doesn't guarantee us the stolen gas.
True. What happens if you don't find it?
I have to.
المتفجرات صارت جاهزة بنت الآن.
ماشي. انتظروا الإشارة. The wolf's men will have to move the truck to pass through. Wait until they're close, then detonate it.
بنت العم شايف موكب جاي من الشرق.
مفهوم. ديروا بالكم على حالكم. The wolf soldiers are here, Alex. Right side of the highway.
3 Alcatala vehicles.
I see. Check fire. Let them get in range.
لازم نهجم؟
لا. خليهم يقربوا أكتر. Closer. Go on. Don't be shy. They see it. They're moving to the truck. Hadir,
I see them.
get ready, Alex. Detonate the truck, Alex. Ashumu! Open fire! They're back of the bus. Hit!
Grenade! Move!
Good kill, Alex. Check the windows! Good hit! Alex, left side! Good kill, Alex. AQ on the bus! The wolf sent reinforcements! Hadir, pull your team back!
Shoot it back up!
Do it!
Ali, fall back! Get out of there!
Shoot the engines! Stop them!
Aim for the engines, Alex!
It's down!
Here they come!
highway is below us. Hadir has reinforcements.